So here we got a good used 2012 UD 2300 LP GH7 engine with 387,000 miles and 245 horsepower. All engines come with a 90-day warranty and are field tested by our trusted mechanics here at Busby Truck Parts. We heat tab all of our engines and drain them before shipping, as well as clean them and inspect them, make sure there's no damage done, and make sure everything's on there correctly. All engines come complete, excluding bolt-on parts like the alternator and AC compressor. And if you have any questions, just give us a call or visit our website at busbytruckparts.com.